The new virtual NAFCD and NBMDA Emerging Distribution Leaders program is your opportunity to grow up-and-coming talent within your firm. Held in conjunction with the NAFCD and NBMDA Virtual Xperience, this customized learning program is designed specifically for career-oriented professionals who are being groomed as future leaders within their firms. Here are the top 5 reasons to attend the NAFCD and NBMDA Emerging Distribution Leaders program. Number 1. Develop a distribution management skill set. Number 2. Connect to peers and build lifelong professional relationships. Number 3. Gain an understanding of the nuances of our unique channel. Number 4. Become a next-generation leader within your company and the industry. Number 5. Hear from 3 leadership gurus on topics pertaining to top managers. Learn from award-winning speaker and best-selling author Sam Richter as he presents proven techniques to improve sales performance. Join Wall Street Journal best-selling author Alex Goldfain for this powerful session on the importance of having a selling system. ITR Economics' Alex Chazovsky will help you see what the economic future holds as you move through the depths of this black swan period and seek the resumption of something approaching normal. Get ready to grow and expand your distribution career with the NAFCD and NBMDA Emerging Distribution Leaders program. Register today.